Hello, good afternoon. Welcome. This is Waec year 2018 commerce pass question. Question number 31 says a method of buying in anticipation of price fluctuation in the commodity market is dash. A method of buying in anticipation of price fluctuation in the commodity market is dash. Now, we'll talk of in anticipation, that is probability of future. Let's say future, maybe the price of the price will increase. Commodity market simply means market for goods and services. So now option A says speculation, B arbitrage, C contango, D hedging. The correct option here is option A, speculation. Now, in line to comments, speculation is the purchase of security by speculators with the hope that the price of security will increase. That is the meaning of speculation. Then we have three stages or forms or types of speculation. We have what we call 1, the bull. Then we have 2, we have bear. Then the third one is what we call stage speculation. So these are the three types of speculation. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.